Here's 5 evergreen silver plants for your sunny borders in a garden. First up is this Santolina, which is very lovely and silver. It's very good for sunny borders and it also flowers with nice yellow button-like flowers. And you can also use it for cooking or for indoor arrangements because it smells very nice. Second one is Artemisia, which has got these very lovely soft leaves and it looks very good on mass as well, and it's got all year round interest. Third one is Callocephalus, which looks like dead branches, but it's so cool. Again, very nice planted en masse because it gives you this really nice effect and it just glows in the sun. Cineraria has got these really nice kind of palmate leaves. They're very soft and hairy, very nice to touch, and again, all year round interest. And the last one is Senecio with these huge leaves, again very soft to touch, and they're quite big, so very good for standalone plants or planted en masse. And again, it reflects sun, so it's very good for dry, sunny borders. Don't forget to like and follow for more content like this.